It's gone. I sold the Maverick, and I'm thinking about selling the motorcycle too. I'm struggling with it, but first let's back up to yesterday when the Maverick thing went down, and we'll come back here. There goes the Maverick. It's gone. Oh boy, that's kind of tough seeing it go down the road. That's it. I'll never see it again. Wait, maybe one more little peek. It's gone. That's it. I got money in my pocket now. So there's certainly money for the transmission in the van, and a nice little chunk left over to let's set aside for now. It actually didn't take too long to sell that Maverick after all. It's somebody said, boy, that's bittersweet, and it's more sweet than it is bitter. I've had my fun with it. It's okay. It was a cool car. It was fun to go cruise around in it from here and there, take a little evening drive in it. Or then I had my fun with it, and I really do need to move on. It's just one more thing that needs attention once in a while, and it's kind of in the way here half the time. Truth is, I can certainly use the money for, like I say, I'm car shopping, and I got a transmission that needs a little redoing. So, wow. Somebody commented, say, it's about time you need to upgrade, Dave. You need something more newer, reliable. And don't forget, I do have a 2019 Kawasaki, which I'm going to go over here and get in just a minute. Of course, it's not an all-weather vehicle. I don't like riding in the rain, and not going to ride in the winter, but boy, it'd be nice right now. Here it is, spring, summertime, and you'll laugh when you see how many miles are on it. Some of you that have a motorcycle and like to ride, there's not a lot of miles on it. I'm gonna over get that here in a minute. Waiting on a ride. I can just ride Bella over. Go on this way. Huh? Why don't you give me a ride? Why don't you give me a ride, girl? Something else going on. I just cleaned this thing out, and it's a mess again already. I don't know how it happens. I'm not gonna show you in there right now. Okay. Let's come back to the van for a second. Actually, once I have the motorcycle over here, I have a way to run to town. If I need, it has the saddlebags on it, so if I need to go get some groceries or run somewhere or whatever, I can. Once the motorcycle's over here, I could go drop the van off and just go ahead and get that transmission job done. Or I just might hang on. Just keep using it, just be gentle with it in reverse like I've talked about, and just park it over there by the Coachmen out of the way for now. I might go ahead and get a car, kind of iron one up, go get my new ride, and then go drop the van off. So I don't know. What you want to go in the van? What? It's kind of messy in there. You have to be careful. Ooh. Trouble is, we're not going anywhere. I'm waiting on a ride. I'm going to get the motorcycle. She's like, I hate that motorcycle. I can't ride on it. Come on, outside. Come on. And she needs groomed. She rolled into something. Out here mowing the grass. And of course, she likes to be out here too, and riding back and forth, and follow me around somewhat. And she finds different little spots to roll in. I don't know if she finds deer poop or rabbit poop. I'm glad we don't have cows. So she did that one time. Didn't you, girl? You got hosed off big time outside. It was a fresh cow patty. Oh my God, I just couldn't believe that happened. She was such a mess. But yeah, I don't know what's gotten into her. She was never one to do that much, and it just seems to become a regular thing this year since we've been back. And every time I mow, it seems like she's looking for something to roll in. It's a newly acquired thing, isn't it? We didn't have that problem before. All right, I'm gonna let you in, and my ride will be here soon. I won't be gone too long. All right, got my Kawasaki keys. Can't forget those. Come on, anytime now. All right. I'll show you. It's just a mess. And the only thing I bought really for the van, you know, I got coffee made. So, I got, and I need cold water. I do. I need cold water so I can over here. I need to clean this thing up. I need to get some fixings, okay? I need to get some coffee pods. I have my coffee maker in there. You know, we have the lithium battery, the inverter. I can use my coffee maker. If I can at least make coffee in the morning, Bella's Bowls, I'll get some coffee, get some snacks or whatever. Get a few things in here. We need to go somewhere in the van. We just need to. And yeah, I'm going to clean this mess up. This is an old sink. It's full of sawdust now. And a nice brass colored stopper for in it, and I have it somewhere. I have a nice, but it's in here. I have this really cool, check this out, I have this really cool faucet here. It's just a one temperature, and it'll just be cold water only. Oh, I think, I'm not sure, yeah. Yeah, it has this really cool sprayer head that attaches. You know, I originally planned to put, and I have a little water pump. I was gonna get two of these, have one for underneath the sink that the drain goes in, you know, into. And have another one, the fresh water goes to the pump, it goes up to the faucet, and this thing, you know, I planned on putting that system in here, and cleaning up over at the other garage on this closed location, and gather that stuff up. I don't know what to do with it for now. We'll get back to this thing. All right. Right, got enough doors there. Two in the back. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 doors. Okay, anytime now. Okay, I'm not going to tell you how much I sold the Maverick for, but what I paid for it, I put about that much more into it with new front suspension and all new fuel system from the tank and fuel pump and carburetor, all the tune-up stuff, all new brakes, and it added up to be about as much as I paid for the car. And plus I added $1,000 to it, and that's what I got out of it. So I got all my money back and made roughly, you know, give or take a little bit, 100 or 2. I didn't keep exact track of what I had into it, but I roughly made $1,000 on that Maverick, and it kept me busy and out of trouble. You know, doing projects can keep a person busy and out of mischief. So I did okay on the car. I did. So I can take care of that and have a nice chunk of change still to, you know, it'll be all right. Okay, my ride's here. There it is, the 2019 Kawasaki Versys 300X. Okay, it's been sitting out here in the weather for a couple of weeks. Yeah, oops. I mean, it's not like it's long. Nothing's rusty on it. There's no rust in it. It's all mostly plastic anyway. Not like I have chrome. There's no chrome on this bike. A couple saddlebags. I brought my jacket and gloves. And you that ride know that even on the nicest days, once that sun goes down, it can get a little cool out riding through the valleys. So I gotta help with a little task here, and then gonna get this thing back over home. There's something I haven't done in a while. Been sitting all winter. Got about a quarter tank of gas. Might as well give her a nice big fresh drink. See if we can get a little more use out of it this year. Looking good. All right. I can tell you, it's pretty nice. I've been riding the bike since last fall, late last summer. It's been a while since I rode it. It feels good. It's nice. It's a nice warm evening. Just ready to roll. I do have a thing up here for a, well, not a dash cam, a windshield cam, but sorry, I don't have it along. It's a special little mount, and it's all right. We don't need it. I'll see you back at the garage, okay? So there it is. I'm really struggling with this decision. Let me show you all the more miles this has on it. I have a little bit of morning dew on it. Okay, I bought it new in 2019. It just now has 1,532 miles on it. So with those miles, what's that? I've had it for 4 years, roughly. That's that's less than 400 miles a year. I enjoy it when I have it, when I'm on it and I go for a ride. I do enjoy riding. Obviously, I don't ride. I don't ride like I used to. I used to put some miles in, but I just haven't. Let me turn the key back off so the battery. I forget about it and the battery will go dead. Yeah, I enjoy it when I am on it. I just don't ride. I don't need it. Okay, it sits around most of the time. Gosh, I struggle, and it's the ABS model. I think Kelly Blue Book on it, or JD Powers through the NADA website. It's currently valued at just about $5,000, maybe just a little bit over, and it just sits around though. I'm struggling with it. Don't know. Decisions. Anyway, that's where I'm at with things. Maverick's gone. There's a chunk of change that would come in handy too. With the like I say, there's the Maverick will cover the van transmission and a pretty fair chunk left over, and then this on top of it, and I guess we'll find out. Maybe we'll find out more in the next video. Huh? I'll see you next time.